Video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Expedia website. Logging out is a quick but important habit, especially if you're using a shared or public device. It ensures your personal details, saved trips, and payment methods stay protected once you're done browsing. Let's walk through it together in a clear, simple flow so you know exactly what to look for on both desktop and mobile. First, open your web browser and go to Expedia.com. Give the page a moment to load fully so everything appears as expected. When the home page is ready, take a quick look at the top right corner. If you're already signed in, you'll usually see a small profile or account icon there, sometimes a silhouette of a person or your initial. If you don't see that, it likely means you're not signed in yet. If you're not signed in, go ahead and sign into your account now. This step is only so you can then sign out cleanly from the right place. After signing in, you'll be returned to the site and the account area will appear in the top right. Next, click your profile or account icon in that top right corner. On desktop, this typically opens a drop-down menu directly beneath the icon. On a phone or tablet, the same icon might open a panel that slides in from the side. Either way, you're looking for the menu that contains your account options. Once the menu is open, scroll down within it. The sign out option is often placed near the bottom, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Take a moment and move through the list of options until you spot the wording you need. Now, click the option labeled Sign Out or Log Out. Expedia may use either phrase, but they do the same thing. One click is all it takes. If a confirmation isn't required, your session will end right away. Finally, wait until you're brought back to the home page or the sign-in page. The site will refresh, and you should no longer see your name or account icon showing you as signed in. That visual change is your confirmation that the logout worked. If the page is still catching up, give it a moment to finish loading. That's it. You've successfully logged out. Make this your last step whenever you're finished planning or booking, especially on devices you share with others. It's a simple action that helps keep your account secure and your travel details private. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.